Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show us how we can quickly find the shaded area of this diagram. Okay, so we have a rectangle and we have another rectangle inscribed, another rectangle inside this bigger rectangle, and we are asked to find the shaded portion. Right, since we have two rectangles, we are going to find the area of each of them. Okay, solution. We have two rectangles. We have rectangle A. Let's say the bigger rectangle is rectangle A, and the area of a rectangle is length times breadth. All right, so what's the length? We have the length and the breadth of this bigger rectangle. We're going to find the area. That is 9 times 5. 9 times 5 will give us 45 centimeters square. So this is the area of the bigger rectangle. Now let's look at the area of the smaller rectangle, the one inside this. We call it, let's say it's area B. Is also length times breadth, and this is the dimension. So we have 4 times 3, and that is 12 centimeters square. All right, so we know the area of the two rectangles. To find the shaded portion, we are going to remove this inner rectangle from the whole rectangle. That's how to find the area. So it means that the smaller rectangle occupies this space, this area. By the time we remove it, we'll be left with the shaded portion, this part. Right, so we say area of the shaded portion now. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of the bigger rectangle, area A minus area B. Alright, so that's how to find the area of the shaded portion. And then what is the area of the bigger rectangle? Area A is 45. So we have 45 centimeters square minus area of the second one is 12 centimeters square. If you subtract 12 from 45, we have 33 centimeters square. That means the area of the shaded portion, this shaded portion, the area is 33 centimeter square. Right, you can see it very easy. Now let's have something very similar to that. Let's solve something very similar to that. All right, so this shaded portion, we have to find the area, or find the shaded area. Find the shaded area. All right, don't forget the dimension. We have 11.2 meters, and since this is a square, and then the square is also inscribed. Okay, so the dimension of the other square is just 2.4 meters for the sides, and this is 11.2. Thanks guys, don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.